Hello lovely ladies, welcome back to the channel MK Rabin Fashion Trends. As autumn arrives with its golden leaves and crisp breeze, it's the perfect time to refresh our wardrobe with cozy, elegant and stylish outfits. Fashion has no age limit, and today I will share some wonderful autumn outfits ideas that will help you look classy, modern and confident. Whether you are in your 15s, 16s or beyond, so let's step right into the world of autumn fashion. When we think of autumn, the first thing that comes to mind is layering. A beautiful cut coat or jacket can instantly transform your look. A camel tan French coat or a toilet wool coat in rich tones like burgundy or navy brings both warmth and elegance. Wrapping a scarf in plaid or earthy shades over your shoulders adds that cozy autumn charm. These outfits is most trending, most demanding for autumn season. Must try these videos and these outfits. Sweaters are another autumn essential. Imagine a soft cashmere cut length paired with classic straight leg trousers. It's effortless yet so refined. Oversized knits also look lovely when styled with slim pants or following midi skirt, giving balance to your look. And a belted cardigan, that little touch can shape your waist and add instant sophistication. Now let's talk about bottom. Autumn is the season when trousers and jeans really shine. A pair of dark wash jeans with ankle boots and a chic blazer creates a timeless outfit that feels polished without being overdone. Wide leg trousers in warm fabric flow gracefully and look especially elegant when paired with a fitted knit top. For those who enjoy skirts, a plaited midi skirt in earthy tones or even a soft leather skirt can be both playful and stylish, especially when matched with a simple sweater and boots. These outfits is very attractive your personality. Dresses in autumn are sometimes forgotten, but they can be truly stunning. A long-sleeved knit dress with a belt not only keeps you warm but also flatters your shape. Warp dresses in deep autumn prints layered with a light jacket or blazer can be worn to brunch, shopping, or even an evening out. With tights and boots, dresses become an easy yet polished choice for this season. Footwear ties everything together. Ankle boots in suede or leather are a must-have for autumn. They look perfect with dresses, jeans or skirts. Loafers and block heel shoes also give a chic everyday vibe while keeping you comfortable. And if you want to add a bold touch, knee-high boots with a midi dress or skirt look absolutely stylish and modern. Accessories bring the finishing touch. A stretch handbag in black, tan or burgundy gives a refined feel. Scarves are your best friend not just for warmth but also for color. A patterned scarf against a natural outfit can lift your whole look. Hats like betters or wool fordrons add that little French inspired elegance jewelry does